it's cleaning day, my viewers. It's cleaning day. This is what I do. So I'm cleaning the yard, you know. Getting it clean and nice out here. Tell a natural life is outside. Do it yourself. Doing it myself. See what going, Father? Yeah, man. We have to get it right. Cleanliness is to godliness. So we have to get it right. So you don't know what I'm daddy? Look what me I saw. We lay out the rake. And I saw the rake come back to me. Look what going on. No stick.
No stick.
So Louis Culture say, you know, if you bend down low, you couldn't mad, you couldn't do that. But it depends on what kind of low you have bend down. You know? So we are get it right, man. The broom wouldn't do a good job. The broom wouldn't do what the rake can do. But the broom did a good job up there, so you know. So every broom there, broom mad. The broom nice it up, man. You know, this is the Rasta broom. You remember the Rasta broom?
Of course.
So the Rasta man make this broom, man. We want our boys to learn and our girls to learn how to make these brooms. Because these brooms clean, you know. Them broom here are the best. Them broom here not cheap again, you know.
No.
Oh my word. This is it. So I'm getting it right now. I'm getting it right. I have to get it right. Outside, beautiful day.
Beautiful day today. Beautiful day
today.
Yeah, man. Beautiful day, man.
We have to get it right. Scrape them up. And
Of
get it
course.
right.
Of course.
Their tail and natural life is outside. When me pay the man for what the yard, me couldn't pay somebody to sweep it to me. I'll say I broke. I'll say I have to do it yourself. Do it yourself. That is it. Get up, and stand up for your right. Get up, stand up, and don't give up the fight. Preacher man will tell you, heaven is under the earth, but now you see the light. You gotta stand up for your right. Come on and get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. And don't give up the fight. Me tired.
All right.
Get again.
All right.
Thank you, man. Blessings, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. All out. All out. Oh, my word. I'll take tired, man. Me drop them there, you know. Me drop them the rake and them the broom there. Mercy. Tired. Me want water. That is it, man. Thank you so much. Wow. It's such a beautiful day, though. A lot of work. After the battle, then comes the reward, man. You know, somebody damaged my gate. Somebody reverse and lick the gate. You know, sir, the sun make me have to run a little while though. The sun turn up. Maybe I will have to just leave that work until in the evening. You don't know. The pop show's coming up. Somebody reverse and twist the gate up It couldn't open, but the workman, the man that came to work, sorted it out a little way for me this morning. See it bend there? Seems like a big unit. Shake up the gate, look there. Uncle, thanks again, man.
Ja, man.
Then mash it up, shake it up, dig it up, bend it up. Last year them did it and we have to correct it. And this year them come back, so I have to make strict rule, man. No turning in my gate. No turning in Althea Taylor Natural Life gate. You have been warned. Do not come and turn in my gate because it's not costing you, it's costing me. So let's be peaceful, man. Let's be peaceful like that ocean there and get it right. So public service announcement, do not turn in my gate. You can't say you've never been warned. So I'm cleaning my yard, my people, as you can see. I'm almost finished. I'll get out of the sun and get some water to rehydrate. I feel dehydrated, and that is it.